Hi, and welcome back to Biggie Studios. In the studio today, we're going to show you how to take styrofoam, bits and pieces of styrofoam, some chopsticks, and turn it into this. Follow along. This will be part one to show you how to make Mr. Doug Byrdman. I'm going to show you how to do armature, then we're going to lay down some clay, and then we're going to do some painting. So enjoy part one, and we'll see you back for part 2 and 3. All right, guys, this is such a fun project. You need a couple of pieces of styrofoam. This is what I had on hand, and I loosely shaped the body, and I'm doing the beak right now. If you're interested in trying this yourself, we're going to include a PDF in the description box. And if not, just enjoy the process. This is all kind of like I'm making it up. But if you're interested, again, I have taken precise measurements. And right now I'm just kind of shaping it and putting it into place and see what it looks good. So toothpicks to attach the beak. And then we start adding tape. It's as simple as that to make armature. You still have an opportunity to squeeze it, to move it around, to shape it a little better, but it's the idea of where you're going to put your bits and pieces. There, I'm adding the tail, and then I decided to flip it around so you see it's going back up. So I put some toothpicks to secure it into place while I tape it. Make everything nice and tight before you start adding your clay. So there I'm clipping off the toothpicks and just covering the entire bird, getting it ready for clay. You could potentially leave it without the tape, but it makes things a lot easier. They stay together. And there you have it. I'm getting to the end. Can't wait to start adding clay to Mr. Byrdman. Thank you for watching. See you in part 2.